we're going to explore something fascinating: water. You might know it as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, but it's all just water. Ever wondered where it comes from or how old it is? Stick around and you'll find out. Did you know that the water you see today could be millions of years old? Some of it might have even been around when dinosaurs roamed the earth or when the pharaohs were building pyramids. Water goes through a never-ending cycle called the water cycle. It's not a ride you can hop on, but it's a process that keeps water moving round and round. The water cycle has 4 parts: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. First, water from oceans, lakes, and even your sweat gets heated by the sun and turns into vapor. This vapor then floats into the air. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This process is called condensation. When the clouds can't hold any more water, it falls back to the ground. Depending on the temperature, it can come down as rain, snow, sleet, or even hail. Once the water hits the ground, it's collected in lakes, rivers, or it might even seep into the ground. And then the sun comes out and the whole cycle starts again. And that's how the water cycle works. It keeps our planet full of water for us to drink, swim in, and even play in the snow. So the next time you see rain, snow, sleet, or hail, you'll know exactly what's happening. Thanks for joining me, Professor Moisture, in this watery adventure. Remember, water is everywhere, and now you know all about it. Until next time.